guys, today is the day that I'm going to see Rachel, my hairstylist, and she's gonna take out my 18-inch hand-tied hair extensions, and I am not gonna have them in for a whole week, so I'm sad. But then I'm getting 22.5-inch ones in replacement of those. So today I'm gonna get these out. They're pretty grown out. If you can even see them, they're hidden so well right here. Oh, they're pretty grown out. Hey guys, so I'm currently driving to my hair appointment right now. I just got some Starbucks and I am very excited to be getting my hair done today. My hair extensions are they're not really extensions, they're more for like thickening my hair, because I already have fairly long hair. I just have very thin hair, and I lost a lot of hair because I have Crohn's disease, and I think I'm going to do another video about that later. If you guys are more interested in hearing about I guess you could call it a journey with Crohn's disease, and just the surgeries I've had, and just the medication that I've taken, and just the ways that I manage it and keep it under control. Let me know, comment below if you're interested in seeing something like that. I think it's on my list, but I'll make it more of a priority if it's something that y'all want to see. Is just my struggles with Crohn's disease, I guess. Sorry I'm filming this in the car, but I will show you guys once I get it out. So on my way to my hair appointment, I had a little extra time, so I stopped and got this for Rachel. It is a caramel brulee latte, and I got myself my go-to hot coffee, which is a hot caramel macchiato. Very excited to indulge. Alright guys, so I just finished getting my hair done. The first part of it, this is my natural hair. We went with like a blonde kind of look. My inspiration was Maddie Woods. I'm definitely gonna tag her in this, and I really hope she sees it. So I went with the blonde, and we watched your color video and matched it the best we could to what Courtney had said in the extensions video that you just did. So shout out to Maddie Woods, go follow her. Her page is amazing. She has tons of great content about nursing and hair and lifestyle, and she's doing Vlogmas, and I just love her page. She's actually the reason why I ended up getting the hand-tied hair extensions. And yeah, so this is part one. So we are going to come back and do them a little bit later today, because I actually have an interview at 3 o'clock. So I am going to head home, get ready for my interview, and go to the interview, and then come back and do the installation, and we will definitely bring you guys along with that. And this again is my like second attempt at vlogging. I can't even say it. So if this is something that you guys like, please definitely comment down below, let me know your thoughts on my hair, and if you want to see more about the hand-tied hair extensions. Alright guys, so I officially just finished getting ready for my interview. It's at 3 o'clock, it's about 2 o'clock now, and it's in South Denver, so I'm gonna head down there now because I think it's probably gonna take me about 45 minutes to get there. I just chose this like really cute blazer from Marissa's. Also, this top is from Marissa's, obviously, and these earrings and necklace are also from Marissa's. They're simple, they're elegant, they work. I'm wearing my Michael Kors watch, and I'm also wearing this really cute bracelet set of gold silver and bronze from my Stitch Fix that I got last year. And I'm rocking my new hair color. So excited to go get the rest of it done. Yay, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just finished my interview and it went really, really well. The guy had basically said that I just need to meet the sales manager, and then I'm like really confident that they're gonna hire me. So I'm pretty excited. I am now heading back to the salon to get the rest of my hair done. So we'll see you soon.